Being that we on Jamaica Ave.
Yep.
Craft, what up, nigga?
Yep.
Shout out to them niggas out there, Parsons, Southside.
Yep.
Let's go, Queens.
I got that money on my mind, boy. Back up on my motherfucking grind, boy. I've been in the struggle a long time, boy. Nigga, I get it how I live. I represent the bottom. 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 Hey, nigga, we out here struggling. We out here struggling with all this talent. Why am I still hustling? I told myself that I would never sell drugs again. Now we at the connect like it's us again. Yup, turn it back over. Flat spatula, turn it crack over. To burn it back over. Dope over the spoon, over the candle. It got the melting, burning wax over. It's return to that soldier who lived by the creed, lived by the sewers, lived by the fleas. You live by disease. You giving false info like the history books that your kids gotta read. I sell a dime bag for a nick bag of weed. You sell dirt, it look like a big bag of seeds. Nobody smoke that. Nigga, you crazy, you ain't hustling. Nigga, you lazy, ooh, baby. I got that money on my mind, boy. Back up on my motherfucking grind, boy. I've been in the struggle a long time, boy. Nigga, I get it how I live. I represent the bottom. 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 Hey, nigga, we out here struggling.
We out here struggling. Turn the stove on, water started bubbling. Hit the stoop, stupid, started bubbling. Now the Benz bubble where the nigga snuggled in. And baby girl love that. Why you leaving potholes? You got hubcaps, smoking dub sacks. Honey telling me about a kiss. I don't care about them rug rats, fuck that. Looking at original deluxe, black coke, baking soda, hot water, let's rub that. I does that, snub bust that. My pocket is wearing God, we trust that. You can trust that. Homie said he loved Jasmine. I hope she don't trust that. Harlem on the rise, revolver with the pies, we mobbing on the fire.
I got that money on my mind, boy. Back up on my motherfucking grind, boy. I've been in the struggle a long time, boy. Nigga, I get it how I live. I represent the bottom. 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 I represent the bottom.
Hey,
nigga, we out here struggling.
We out here cursing out dirty hoes again. Something with some paper plates, a nigga rolling in. I thought I'd never see 36 O's again, but at the docks waiting for a boat like here we go again. 9 to 5, nah, Porsche 911, yeah. Drop my old hoe, my new one got better hair. And her ass fatter, she don't bug me either. But she always in my phone, she don't trust me neither. Life's a real bitch, yeah, fucking skeezer. She put the Glock to my head and just up and leave her. But business good, does juice, just move another leader. Move and blow, one-on-one, I'm your fucking teacher. Pull up on the driver's side, spray your door, take your haul. Let's talk new money, fuck the racks I made before. Foreign cars, big chains with no budget. Seeing me, niggas tripping with no luggage. Yeah.
I got that money on my mind, boy. Back up on my motherfucking grind, boy. I've been in the struggle a long time, boy. Nigga, I get it how I live. I represent the bottom.
Shout out to all them niggas in Queensbridge, Vernon, 41st side, you know what it is. Left rap, what it is, rapper, I rap. Far rock.